Diba guys, nakapapalit na ako. This is my airport look, the boo-boo. Meron tayong scarf. So guys, ayan. Magbo-boarding na. Okay, bye! Nakakain mo na ako sila kumain. Flight na namin later. Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
Full crate.
Dripping like water. Dripping like water.
Full crate.
So this is it. Masikoro. Hey guys, terminal ano tayo? 3 to. Okay. Pero sa terminal 4 talaga kami. Okay pala, di ba? Hey guys, walking lang muna. Oh wow. Oh, di ba? Search na bibili. Hi guys. Vortex! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes, ito guys, lahat. Bus ano kami? Terminal 4 kami. So sasakay kami ng bus. Ito yung mga maleta. Kaya pa ba today? Tapos guys, naka-indicate kung anong minute, kung ilang minutes darating yung bus. Bongga! Ayan guys, check in na kami. Dito, punta kami sa Bacha by Galiwao. Original improved.
Strong, medium, and large. Also, we have 3 premium coffees, like Frankfurt Nobel, Nepal. That's why the price is different from the other.
Okay.
You can try some normal black coffee.
Okay.
But if you want something aromatic, a black coffee is just for aroma. Berries and nuts. Something unique.
This is, we'll just put water on it.
Correct. Chocolate also recommended.
Let me just roll. Thank you, thank you. Crystal. Ano mo kay mama? Anong binigyan? Matakbo tayo going sa mga makeups. Yan. Kasi 2 hours na lang shopping pa rin tayo sa airport. Sayang. Oh my God, pati dito. Takbo pa rin. Because of makasaraduhan ako, girls. No more na. Sold out. Oh, sarado. Out, okay. Diptyque lang ang pang hairspray.
They have a few different scents.
Apakabaho ng diptyque. Oh. Diptyque ina. Magbo-boarding na. Okay, bye. Nakakain mo na ako. Sila kumain. Puma tayo. Thank you, Hermes. Hindi mo kaya, madam. Oh, diba? Yung sa economy class ka nakasakay. Charing.
Passengers to proceed to G17 immediately following. Thank you.
Ano daw sinasabi? Kacheki, I buy everything here in lahat na lang. Thank you so much.
Islang Tropiko. Feels like someone I'm with you. Sa Islang Tropiko. Feels like someone I'm with you. Sa Islang Tropiko. Feels like someone I'm with you. Islang Tropiko. Feels